Sadar Hills in Kopi district was completely disconnected from the rest of the world on Tuesday as Cyclone Remal created havoc in the district, disrupting power supply, water, communication, and other services. Kopi district headquarters experienced a harrowing plight on Tuesday as Cyclone Remal swept through the town, causing flash floods due to the incessant rainfall, inundating vast parts of the town, mainly the lower portions. One block of the district hospital, comprising a laboratory room, examination room, rest room, kitchen, and emergency room, was inundated by the flash flood, compelling the hospital authorities to cease services for the day. The flash floods in the district headquarters affected hundreds of residential houses in Zonting Veng, Ward number 1, Ngambom Veng, Ward number 8, Lamdil Veng, Ward number 5, Zaphal Veng, Ward number 9, Pungtin Veng, Ward number 15, Tintong Veng, Ward number 2, and Moltin Chan Veng, Ward number 12, with Zonting Veng, Ward number 1 being the worst affected. The locals, under the supervision of the District Council administration and assisted by KTC and KYU, had a hard time evacuating the residents to a safer place while monitoring the situation of the fierce flash flood and engaged 2 JCBs to divert the strong current of the rivulet that flooded the residential houses in Zonting Veng, Ward number 1. Most of the schools in the district declared a holiday on Tuesday owing to Cyclone Remal, while some educational institutions opened despite the risks. The incessant rainfall also swelled the Gundung River and various other rivulets, causing heavy destruction to the important bridge over the Gundung River connecting Kopi district headquarters and Saikul subdivisional headquarters via Kaithil Mandi. The bridge served as a second lifeline for the people residing in Saikul region. Minor landslides also occurred at various locations along National Highway 2, which were immediately cleared by the district police, preventing traffic jams along the highway. The heavy rainfall accompanied by a storm also damaged a residential house at 10 miles Paudel Basti in the Tuilang area of Kopi district, while a river near Gorkha Jil in the same region flowed over the road and damaged it. The devastating cyclone gradually began to recede late on Tuesday evening, but the district remained in darkness as power could not be restored. Airtel services were restored on Wednesday afternoon but turned the 5G era into 2G, while other network providers, including Jio, have yet to be restored. Meanwhile, the district administration's public advisory, issued only on May 28 afternoon, was available to the media the next day, owing to the disruption of mobile and Wi-Fi services.